If you're looking to add a custom touch to your Jeep Wrangler, then you're going to want to check out this Rugged Ridge Black Elite Antenna base mount fitting your 2018 JL Wrangler. This Rugged Ridge Elite Antenna base mount features a premium die-cast aluminum construction with a matte black finish. It's going to fit all 2007 to 18 JK Wranglers as well as your brand new 2018 JL. It includes the mounting hardware as well as a gasket to protect your paint. With that being said, let's get it installed on our 2018 JL Wrangler. The first step of this installation is to remove your factory antenna. Go ahead and grab an adjustable and you're going to go in this little slotted area and turn it counterclockwise. All you have to do is really get it loosened up, and you can do it by hand the rest of the way. And then just set it aside. Now what we're going to do to protect the paint before we pry this off is actually apply a little bit of masking tape or painter's tape right at the top. It's just going to save your paint when you go underneath there. Honestly, we tried to get it off the nice way. It didn't really take to it. We even tried to protect the paint here, which we did really well. The Jeep did not want anything to do with that, so we just had to, rip it off. So now it's off. We can get these screws undone. What you're going to do is remove all three of these bolts. You'll use an 8mm socket to get them pulled off. Now we're ready to install the new Rugged Ridge antenna mount base. What you're going to do is grab this foam pad and set it into place. Then grab your Rugged Ridge mount and set it over top of it. And you're going to use the included Allen key hardware into the holes. Tighten it up with a 4mm Allen key. Make sure all three of them are properly tightened, then we can reinstall our antenna. Now, as you're reassembling this antenna base, what you can do is reinstall your factory antenna. However, since we plan on taking our JL off-road, I decided to go with this 6-inch Rugged Ridge reflex antenna onto this. Now, there's a couple different sizes of these that you can go with. It's going to be the same black as that antenna base. It looks really awesome, and it's going to fit your JK or JL. So we're going to get this installed instead of our factory antenna. Go ahead and thread your antenna back into the base. Nice and tight on the top and the bottom, and your installation is complete. As you can see, we just wrapped up the installation of this Rugged Ridge Elite Antenna base mount. We also went ahead and installed one of the Rugged Ridge reflex antennas onto our 2018 JL Wrangler. Now this is a really easy install that really classes up the side of this Jeep Wrangler. They're also available in a silver or a red finish. This antenna comes in a lot of different sizes, and you can choose which is best for you. Now you can find all the parts that we installed today as well as detailed installation instructions right here at cjponyparts.com.